Hello YouTube, I am back. The whole installation thing has finished. Now it will ask you to reboot now, or I want to manually reboot later. Just to get it quicker, get it done with quicker, I'm just going to choose reboot now. Then click on finish, and it'll just completely reboot for you. And it will come up to a Windows boot manager, hopefully, just like it did on this little netbook here. Right now, the program is ending, and it is all logging off. And like I said, no install disks, because I wouldn't do that to you guys. I want to give you guys a legitimate way to run Ubuntu without a disk. Because not everyone has a CD to do this. Which, if you really want to run it on a CD, you can, because it's only 600 megabytes anyway. Still shutting down. This is what you get with XP quality. Here we go. It's restarting now. It's just my no signal input because it hasn't read the computer yet. There we go. Wake up, computer. Power spec. We should be at a boot manager soon. If not, I don't know what happened. There it is. Ubuntu. Enter. Completing the Ubuntu installation. It's just gonna do this stuff right now. You'll get this to load. This will take a few seconds to load, but it'll run. So don't worry about any of that. There we go. Now we're at the Ubuntu loading screen. Which, remember, if you do not like this operating system, you can always go ahead and just delete it. Which you easily delete it through just going in your program files and deleting it, because that's the point of having it this way, so then you don't have to unpartition a hard drive. Just to have it the way it was before. So Ubuntu, there's a little sign up there, the quality sucks because I'm on my iPod recording this. And we'll just let this load how it's loading. Just wait a few minutes. Not a few minutes. There we go. See? It's done now. It's gonna load up to an install screen where it'll probably install itself automatically since you already entered all your information. And as you see, the whole Linux background is up now. The whole top bar is in. Wireless connections available. It'll say if you have any wireless connections around you. And now it is totally installing. I just wanted to go with this just because I need a new operating system. It's just so much easier than Hackintosh, because Hackintosh is just endless hell to go through. Trust me, it's not worth it. Because there's too many compatibilities and uncompatibilities to run with. And it's really annoying because if you launch the whole Mac operating system from your BIOS, you'd probably not have sound working or USB or any of that crap. Especially if you're not Intel. So here we go. It says welcome, just because, you know, it's loading all special crap right now. Thank you for choosing Ubuntu 10.10. I'm not going to read through all this because you'll get the same crap. I can take you through a few of the pictures if you want. Remember, this computer is lagging because it's 5 years old. This is not like my netbook, which is so much better. I don't even know how much RAM this thing runs. If you hear random talking in the background, like really quiet talking, I don't know if you can hear it, but that's a phone by me, so don't mind it at all. We might be able to run Flash in Google Chrome. I'll try that some other time. But while that's doing all its crap, let's mess with the Windows CE emulator on my netbook. What site you want to go to, guys? How about we go to YouTube? Quality stuff. Well, let's go in there. We have copying files here, just to show you. Now YouTube is pulled up. This is so stupid. Windows CE is so low quality that the computers with it have phone chipsets. Like phone quality sound and phone quality like actual video cards. It's really bad. Yeah, it's really bad. So anyways, it's still copying the files. This will take a little while. I don't know how long it'll take on this computer. So far it's been going slower than on my netbook, which is actually quite a surprise just because everyone expects netbooks to be slow as hell. But the one main thing I really like about Linux is all the freeware programs. Like, most of the programs you get don't really cost anything. And if you're a big gamer, like, you're a total game freak, don't go with Linux. If you're a big gamer, stay with Windows. Just taking us through the slideshow. I will pause this and I will be back once it's to the next screen.